The new Ozeri ZK24 defines the latest in weighing technology, with sensors that deliver accuracy from 0.01 ounces up to a maximum weight of 13.22 pounds. Ozeri ZK24 boasts an accommodating weighing platform to weigh everything from delicate leaves to heavier items with the same ease. A true companion for the serious cook, the ZK24's large unit button lets you change the unit of measurement with push-button ease. The handy tare button automatically subtracts the weight of any pouch, bag, or container to calculate the net ingredient weight. Designed for botanicals, herbs, recipes, and baking ingredients, the Ozeri ZK24 is available in multiple colors to complement any kitchen decor. The Ozeri ZK24 is ready to help you achieve your diet, health, and wellness goals.
Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we're looking at this fantastic silver Nice Well kitchen scale. It is good for up to 22 pounds. It's 9 inches by over 6 inches wide, so you can really put a lot of stuff on it. Beautiful silver, and it has a ton of different units. So let's go ahead, take a look, and check it out right about now. First off, it's a beautiful design, and it sits right in my kitchen without issues. The on and off, easy on, easy off as it calibrates itself. You see it's set to 0, And then, let's go ahead and show you. It's incredibly accurate, which I find amazing. Sometimes you get a kitchen scale and the cheaper ones really aren't that accurate, but you can get the exact weight and information here. I'm going to set it to grams, and it's 352 grams. Kilograms, 0.352. In pounds/ounces, it's 12.4. Fluid ounces, if that was what you're looking for, and ml as well. So really a fantastic scale. The cover itself is hard to scratch up, which is going to be nice. You're going to want a resistant to scratch cover. And again, what I do like about this is the incredible unit accuracy, which not all scales are going to have. And cleanup is a GIF with this beautiful surface. It's easy to wipe down with no problems. Absolutely beautiful. The tare function's also nice. It allows you to recalibrate to omit the weight of a container. There you go. So you can see how much content you have inside. Now, if you're anything like me, your kitchen is a very important part of your home. It's a showplace, and you don't want just some ugly plastic scale sitting there and people looking at it going, oh, that doesn't look so good. One of the nice things about this, stylish design, right? This is an absolutely gorgeous product. Look at that. The brushed aluminum practically acts as a mirror. It is nice, and like I said, it's super accurate. Plus the weight is just over a pound, so it's super lightweight, super accurate, and it's just a nice looking scale. So I'm going to go ahead and put an Amazon link in the description below. You're going to want to pick one up. Don't wait. Click that link today. It's absolutely amazing. And yeah, I think you're going to dig it. It's easy to use. It's straightforward. It's sleek. It's stylish. It's sophisticated. Pick one up today. Thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from 911 Studios. Subscribe. You won't be disappointed. Adios, amigos.